Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Now go to Account option. Here click on Account Center option. Here click on Change Email Address option. Here you'll have to enter the verification code that is sent to your email. Now tap on the confirm button. Enter the new email address. Then tap on send code option. After you've entered the code, tap on confirm button. And that is how you can change your email address in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.